Cuisineist Confidential at Great Oak Steakhouse at Pechanga Resort and Casino, and we are going into the kitchen with Executive Chef Jose Mendoza. Go ahead, whenever you're ready.
So we're gonna make some liquid nitrogen ice cream for you guys. We're actually gonna make a sundae for you guys today.
Oh, nice.
All right. So it's a pretty good treat, right? After a long day. So we're gonna start off with our ice cream base here. We're just gonna throw this guy in here. Mix it.
Nice.
All right.
You start on slow and you increase it, or just keep it on slow at first?
Just kind of keep it on slow. Once it starts to get like freeze up a little on us, we'll heat up the speed.
Oh, look at that! There it is. Well, I feel it. I can feel it. Like.
Mad scientist.
Oh my God.
I think all chefs have been mad scientists, right? And artists at the same time.
Wow.
Look at that. Wow, look at that. So you're getting the right consistency? Is that what you're doing, Chef?
Yeah, so the ice cream actually picks up a way nicer consistency like this because we're able to control it. As you can see, it's starting to pick up, it's starting to freeze up a little bit on us right there.
Right.
Right. So
there you go. There we go. Good. Ooh, nice.
Yeah. And it actually becomes a lot more creamier for us.
Nice. So is this part of the, you do this for like special occasions or on a regular menu, or what is your?
Yeah, we're trying to do a couple things, put it on our menu here soon, hopefully. But special occasion for you guys today, right?
Well, thank you so much. Thank you. Our special occasion being about you guys. Yeah, right?
Pretty much there, right?
What you want, right?
We gotta get that there. Freezes up a little bit on us. Right.
Perfect.
So as you can see, that texture,
Oh, look at that.
it's a lot more creamier. A couple scoops for you guys.
Nice.
That is very nice.
I used to make homemade ice cream a lot when the kids were little.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I didn't have the fun stuff like liquid nitrogen.
Oh, there you go. That'd be really.
I didn't do that.
Wow, look at that.
Salt and the ice.
And so, I'll be tempting you with a little brownies to it right there.
Brownies. I like the smoke. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Just gonna chill down the plate.
This is epic. Really, it's pretty cool.
Right.
That's a fun thing.
One for you guys.
Oh, there you go. Oh, man. I'm drooling already just watching this as it goes on. Right?
Obviously, you can't have a sundae without some hot fudge, so we're gonna throw some hot fudge on there.
Because we'll be up all night now. But
Yeah,
yeah,
you guys are
it's
awake.
great.
You're awake now.
Very good. We got a hot air balloon, so we're just going to stay up and just keep going.
We're gonna put a little bit of like sardo cherries on there as well.
Oh, I love Luxardos.
So,
Look at that. That's just like brilliant. That's literally the whipped cream on top of a magnificent.
On top of the cherry.
On top of cherry. I like that. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, thank you. Wow, that's really special.
Thank.
Wow, now that is a big bowl of ice cream that was especially made by the chef here at the Great Oak, at the Pechanga Hotel, Resort, and Casino. And we are now in a private room, but he actually took us over here and made liquid nitrogen ice cream for us, and then embellished it with brownies, Lizardo cherries, whipped cream, caramel, and hot fudge. Oh yeah, it's happening. And then we have a nice little glass of rosé regale. So what a great way to end our fabulous 2 days here in Temecula, but there's more to come. We're gonna go up, up, up and away in our big balloon tomorrow morning, and then we get on the golf course before we head back to Vegas. But I have to say, it's only a little over 4 hours here. Perfect place to come to enjoy great wines, wonderful food, and everybody here is it's just lovely. So what a nice little treasure, right? Just a hop skipping away from where we are based out of. But we're so grateful to everyone that shared their love and their expertise. So we're gonna dive in and have some more of this lovely Sunday.
Until next time, Elaine and Scott Harris, Cuisineist.